Silver $47 target reached. Always wait for confirmation. And silver has retested its 1980 high. Could now go parabolic, maybe even $100 by Christmas. These are current market observations and opinions, not advice, but the excitement is real. Let's break down what's actually happening in the silver market. We're doing a deep dive into silver today. Cover. We're digging price targets, technical levels, historical highs, market sentiment, industrial demand, and psychology. And remember, this is educational content only. Nothing here is financial advice. Patrick Kareem says, silver $47 target reached. Time to reach target scales in time until a confirmed breakout enacts it. Always wait for confirmation. Now, let's unpack that. He's pointing out that even though $47 has been hit, the market doesn't just automatically continue upward. The scales in time part tells us the move can be gradual. And always wait for confirmation, that's a key piece. Confirmation is like the market giving a nod before we can trust the trend. So it's a lesson in patience and careful observation, something every trader and analyst keeps in mind. Rashad Hajiev observes, silver's previous resistance is acting as a support. Here's the practical meaning. Levels that were once hard for silver to break through can become floors that hold it up. Buyers step in at these zones, giving the market a chance to stabilize. So when we see the shift from resistance to support, it's an important sign of short-term market strength. Tim Hack. I believe that silver has now successfully retested its 1980 high and will now become the victim of a parabolic rise to finish the initial formation, with a potential of $100 by Christmas. Breaking this down, silver revisiting a historical high attracts attention and trading activity. The parabolic rise comment is about potential momentum. The market could see a sharp move if conditions align. It's not advice, it's a perspective on how historical levels continue to shape sentiment today. Echo X simply states, silver is about to supersend. This one is short but telling. The excitement is real. Sentiment can sometimes move prices more than fundamentals, at least in the short term. Understanding this helps us see why sudden moves happen and why traders can be quick to react. Scottsdale Mint. Silver isn't just beautiful, it's the metal with the highest electrical conductivity of any metal, used widely from solar energy systems to medical devices. Timeless, essential. Here, we're reminded that silver isn't just an investment, it has real industrial importance. Solar panels, medical devices, electronics, they all rely on silver. This dual role as both industrial and precious metal supports demand and gives it unique value compared to other metals like gold. Eichelfan reports, silver, the 14-week RSI topped at 86.82. Here's what happened after every case of RSI topping at 85 plus in the last 21 years. 2004, 35% crash. 2006, 38% crash. 2011, 76% bear market. 2020, 41% mild bear market. The best silver bulls can hope for is that it only drops to 35.40. This is a technical alert. The RSI measures momentum. Seeing it above 85 historically often led to corrections. While history doesn't guarantee the future, it gives context. Analysts can anticipate potential volatility while considering that the overall market trend may still be bullish. Dow Gold Equal says, for silver to have bottomed here, next week it will need to break out of its bull flag forming on descending resistance, break out of its basing channel, and overtake $50.55. We do all that, and there is likely strong momentum to pursue new highs. This one dives into patterns. Bull flags and basing channels are technical formations signaling potential momentum. Breaking out of them suggests strength, whereas failure may mean more consolidation. Watching these formations is key for trend analysis. James Henry notes, silver, everyone knows they're short me now. Here we see market psychology at work. Awareness of trader positions, like short interest, can impact volatility and price behavior. Understanding how participants are positioned adds a layer to technical analysis and shows why swings can sometimes be dramatic. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making investment decisions. Thank you for watching.